bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and a wish and a wish and a wish and a wish on me. Hey guys, so I'm showing you my new MacBook. This is the MacBook Pro, and I already did take this off at the box, and the charger is here, right there, and I already activated and everything. So that's what she looks like, and it's what should I call it? It has a touch bar right there, so you'll see it right there. You can just like press or something. So yeah, that's my new MacBook right there, and I'm happy because so I can edit more videos for you guys. But yeah, let's just set that aside. Oh my god, my battery is dying, so I'm gonna do this haul quick. And then also yesterday I went to Best Buy to get a new camera. I know, another camera, and this is the PowerShot G7X. I mean the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. And then let's just unbox this. Book, like the guide. I'll just read that later. Just set this aside. And this is the camera right here. So this all plastic right here. Ooh, ain't she pretty? I'm so excited to use this. I already bought what should I call it? Memory card. Yeah, I got a memory card, which is this is 32 gigabytes. Yep, it's 32 gigabytes. And it's Extreme Plus. So yeah, and this is the camera, you guys. Can't wait. Let's see, more vlogs coming. But yeah, I can't wait to use that. Just put it right there. And comes with the charger and the batteries right here and everything. So let me put the battery. And the last thing I got from Best Buy is this hyper drive. Look like that. It really matches. I like it because it's space gray and it matches my MacBook. So yeah. Let's see if you can see it. Yep, right there. And then I also went to, I'm sorry, that's a lot. Okay. Also went to Staples to pick up new AirPods. Right there, because my AirPods, it's already broke. So I got the new AirPods, the headphone plug. Can't wait to use this. Like that. And then I also went to Ulta. So let me show you. I got these. It's a buy one and get one 50% off. This is the Echo Tools. What should I call this? Sponge. Yep. Blender. Yep. So I got two. Next one is these cotton pads. Next one is this Garnier micellar cleansing water. I'm already run off with the other bottle, so that's why I got a new one. And then next one is this Mario Badescu glycolic acid toner. Yeah, I need toner, so I'm excited to try these. And the next one, oh yeah, this is the Physicians Formula foundation. This is yeah, foundation, and I got the shade DC1. Yeah, because the girl at the store, she thought that I'm in the shade, so but we'll see. And I think, yep, and I think that's it for the haul. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this camera, you guys, and the laptop, everything. Really, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so let's see. There we go. I'm in my car right now. I am on my way to work. Let's see. checking everything. So yeah, if you can see. And it's so hot. It's like 80. It's 80 degrees. 80 something. I'm just connect my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna drive now, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I just stopped by here at Chipotle to pick up, not pick up, but buy food. So I have food for later, like my dinner or like my lunch. Yeah, so I'm just gonna buy some I think rice bowl. Yeah, rice bowl. And I'm gonna go, after this I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get me some large vanilla iced coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So yep. She bumped her car. Where? Into the pole. Into the pole. Because she is high as fuck.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
So kids, sober. Don't do drugs.
I was sober. Okay.
Yeah, we're out.
I probably was high around like.
Around what?
Around 12ish.
Oh my god, I look dead as fuck. You look dead, but we're going tonight, right?
Shit, I look fat.
I need to. Hey guys, I'm finally home. I know, I'm sorry, I look crazy, and I'm just so sleepy. But I'm gonna try to edit this video so I can upload. So I can upload it. I don't even know what to say, but yeah, yeah, just expect. I'm not gonna promise, but I'm gonna try my best to vlog more, since I have this new camera, and edit more videos and, you know, some other stuff, because I have like a lot of ideas. I put it in my notes on my phone so I don't forget about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to you guys later, or if not, I'll see you soon in my next video.